Right?
This is good stuff. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage
We bring you detailing information.
and other automotive goodness.
So if you like what we're doing here, really help us out by liking the video,
Subscribing,
ringing the notification bell.
and tell your friends.
Yeah, tell friends, family, everybody, get them in on this.
Yes, please.
What else do we want to share? Merch.
We have merch.
We're going to tell you every time, and I'm going to cut you off too.
That's right.
See?
It's okay. Usually I just repeat what you say.
What's that? No.
What's that?
But check out our merch, please, guys. It totally helps us out. Buy products so we can review and talk about them and simplify the use for you, right?
Exactly.
Speaking of products and buying, we actually did not have to buy what we're talking about today.
No, this little sample kit from the wax shop came to us.
Yeah, they out of the blue, that came to the Pure Octane Garage mail, and we were ecstatic. We actually talked about it in our little mail call around the holidays, remember?
Yes.
So we decided we'd finally get to it today because we have a new test panel. If you watch the video, you'd see.
Yep. Check out the video. The link will be up above and down below.
Ooh, that's tricky.
That's right.
So we can put this stuff to good use. So I was not familiar with the wax shop brand when we received that. And the one thing that helped us research this a little bit and know a little bit more about it was the shipping label said Turtle Wax / wax shop.
Yes.
So you did some diving and investigating.
Yeah, I just kind of looked into it, and the wax shop was a brand that was purchased by Turtle Wax, I want to say almost a decade ago.
Okay. Yeah, that seems to ring.
And then the brand kind of went away, and now they're bringing it back.
Yeah, we're on their website, and it even says in there about we've reemerged and blah, blah, blah. Very simplified line of basically making, simplified line of polishing, deep polishing and correcting.
Yeah.
And then there's a few other products, but based on what I'm seeing on their website, I think it's like 8 or 9 products is all they have. So
Yeah.
eight products. Anyways, let's open it up, show them what's in here.
Yeah, so the little sample kit here, if I can open it properly. We've got your compounds here. It's like a 3-step compounding process, and then a nice Carnauba wax.
Carnauba wax. We've talked about this all the time. Wax is kind of lost, it seems like, with all the ceramic talk.
Yeah.
And sealants. Well, sealants even a little older, we talked about. But, it still has its place, I think. And I think we should touch on it.
Out here.
We'll touch on it a little more, right?
Yeah.
In the future videos. We're going to revisit wax and talk about it. And
because for literally decades, we've used wax as our primary way to protect our automotive finishes.
Yeah, I waxed and I remember when sprayable wax was the big deal.
Mm-hmm.
Like I used the Meguiar's spray wax. Whoa!
It's just that with the waxes, I mean, generally, if it's a true wax, I mean, the longevity isn't like today's products.
Yeah, great working product, great protection, looks beautiful, slick, but the longevity is the big. You're right. I think that was the biggest thing. See, I'm repeating what you say. The longevity.
The longevity.
But anyways. Here's our products. Let's talk about them real quick.
Yeah,
we've got our little road map that they sent us here.
So we'll start with the Overhaul 1000. And that one says it's a fast-cutting compound that quickly removes minor imperfections such as sanding marks and paint blemishes caused by normal wear and tear.
So that's the heavy cut. That's going to do this is the workhorse product.
And it says it removes up to 1,000 grit sanding marks with heavy cut foam pad or with a wool pad.
Hence the name Overhaul 1000.
Yep.
So what we have next, we have the 2000.
Yep, Rebuild 2000 medium cut compound. Their label says product sample, but you can see the 2000 right there is associated with the orange.
I like the name Rebuild because you're rebuilding off that overhauling you did.
That's right. Yeah. It's a medium cut compound that quickly removes swirl and sanding marks as well as paint imperfections caused by everyday use and washing.
So just washing with your mitt, whatever you're using.
That'll introduce fine, I don't want to say swirls, but almost like that.
What did it say, the cobwebbing?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so and then the last step is the Tune-Up 3000 Fine Polishing Compound. Here, I'll read that one. It's a fine cut polish that uses sub-micron abrasive technology to quickly remove swirls, holograms, and very fine scratches. It's the beautifier.
Yes. Right? That'll add your gloss.
Yeah, gloss, and give it that jeweled look. And then after you finish that, you should be at the stage where you can go crazy with whatever coating / wax / sealant you want to do.
Now your surface is ready for protection.
Yeah, so, and a million different options there.
Yeah.
But that, obviously, they have their Deep Reflections Carnauba, and I think it's time to smell it. We do that. We do that well.
We do that.
Ah, that waxy goodness. Carnauba wax.
Oh, yeah. It
smells like you expect
it takes me back to the wax days.
The wax days.
You're
just a little boy.
They got a nice little write-up about it. It says, this
sweet.
easy-to-use liquid wax provides the highest level of shine and protection for up to 3 to 4 months.
Okay. So, yeah, a little longer maybe than a standard wax.
And that's generally what I expected from
3 months.
The waxes. Because I would wax my vehicle every spring and every fall.
Yeah, I tend to do the biannually kind of thing.
Deep Reflections Liquid Carnauba Wax is designed for use on all conventional and clear coat finishes, new or old.
Okay.
The easy on, easy off formula provides the deep gloss of a Carnauba wax, but unlike conventional wax products, it provides a hydrophobic barrier that protects vehicles' surfaces against contaminants, UV rays, acid rain, and other extreme environmental conditions, leaving behind a durable, high-gloss protective coating.
That was a lot of adjectives.
That was. But it's a good product. Again, it's 3 to 4 months of protection.
Yeah, that's decent. I mean, if you enjoy waxing your car, why not? It's an option. And some people like the look that the wax or the feel that the wax gives, maybe more than a sealant or something.
I agree,
like that,
because sometimes it, especially on darker metallic paints, I've noticed, we've even seen it on our other test hood. Mm-hmm. It adds, any of the wax products adds that more depth.
Yeah, that's just those mixed in turtle wax products that we put. Yeah, just a little bit of Carnauba mixed in.
Yeah, we really notice the depth and that shine.
Yeah, I agree. Which you get slickness and you get a different kind of depth, I think, with ceramics and sealants.
Yeah.
Wax has its place, definitely. May as well smell the compounds. Usually compounds don't smell so great.
Usually they smell like chemicals.
It smells like nothing and then a little hint of Play-Doh. Nothing? I don't know, that's weird.
Yeah,
I know that's weird. Now I'm going to put that in your head. Yeah, Play-Doh. Yeah, Brandon. Right?
This is good stuff, but
it's not very scented.
I honestly do smell the Play-Doh.
Yes,
I don't know if you put it... Seriously. Now, we do not recommend sniffing.
Yeah, this is just for
detailing
us
products.
Dummies.
Yeah, but we're, silly.
We blame it on atoms. Oh, did you want more? Sorry.
I do. Now I want to... Reminds me of those days of playing with Play-Doh.
That's it, I'm telling you.
Okay, we're headed...
I'll go 1,000.
Okay, I got the 2,000 here.
Maybe we should do this.
Oh, sorry.
It smells the same. Oh, here, if you want to.
Yeah, I don't know. This has got a little bit sharper of an odor, but...
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Actually, this is the least...
Interesting.
Has the least cut, right? Odor to me, or smell.
Here, this is that. I don't want to mix... There's not
don't mix
anything
them
on
up.
there, but...
Yeah, that's funny.
All right, Ryan. So we've gone over everything. We've given them the smell test, which we do so well. And we're going to get out there and let's put this product to the test on our new test panel.
Yeah, so we're going to divide the test panel.
Yeah.
So you can kind of a good before and after.
Yeah, you can see the nasty side and what we suspect will be the beautiful side.
I think we should do the side that has the bird drop, the bird dookie.
Yeah, see if we can get that off.
I just like saying dookie.
That was a Green Day album.
It's a good album.
We are not going to put the Deep Reflections Carnauba wax on, though, because we have another video we're going to do in the future with some different products.
Yeah, we've got some... I'm just going to repeat what you just said. We got some other products.
Stuff in the pipeline, which We'll explain more when we get there. But anyways, no doubt this is great stuff. We'll probably use this in another video probably.
Yeah.
So we're gonna 1, 2, 3 step it. 1, 2, 3 step.
So just getting that hood prepped and ready for future products. Detail spray. Oh, you can hear it.
Yes, it's grabby. Alright, another shot. Ooh.
Oh my
You can tell where my pressure was with my 3 fingers. All right, Ryan, so we've got all 3 stages you finished here.
Yep.
So we paired the heavy cut, the 1000, with our heavy cut pad right here.
Oh.
Right?
Yep.
So that was your first pass on here.
And then the 2000 we paired
with our medium.
And it actually matched.
Correcting polish. Yeah, check that out. The pad in orange actually matched. The other ones didn't. And then the 3000, the tune-up, also finishing polish, we paired with our very soft finishing pad. And looks beautiful to me other than the paint defects that we can't do anything about.
Yeah, a lot of chips and a really deep scratch right there.
Deep scratch.
Probably reduce that by, I don't know, maybe
you were
65, 75%.
You knock down the way the light hits it, and it just looks better. You knock down the edges on there. There's definitely some more scuffs and not scuffs, but the nicks in the paint that aren't going to get better. And I think I just did that, didn't we?
I thought I did.
Do that? One of us.
I'm like smearing it up here.
So, hey, I think you should pull the tape and see if we get a little tape line effect. And we'll get this out in the sun and really show that off.
And a light, and we can kind of see. Again, this was really quick.
Yeah, we did a quick three-step process.
Normally would spend a little bit more time.
Okay, so Ryan, real quick wrap up. Wax shop, very impressed.
Yeah, I gotta say, the product was very easy to work with. Low dusting.
Yeah.
I mean, gosh, almost no
Really,
dust.
really nothing. Yeah.
Even from the heavy compound.
Yeah, and we used extra product. You saw. And then, sorry for the wind, guys. It got breezy all of a sudden.
Got real breezy.
And then, what was the other thing? Odor. There was not really any odor.
No.
So, low odor, low dust, no odor. I mean, you could almost say that, basically.
Real easy to work with, very forgiving.
And we didn't work it for a long time.
No, not at all.
So this was a very minimally invasive three-step process, three-stage correction we did on here, and it looks beautiful. I would say, honestly, you probably knocked out 80 to 90% of the garbage that, the scuffs and the nicks. I mean, there are nicks on here that, obviously we said those aren't going to change, and the little sandblast marks.
But there were scuffs all over the hood. Those are gone, and definitely all the webbing.
The webbing completely gone. So, thumbs up, Wax Shop. Great job, great products. So hey, we're gonna do one more thing to wrap up this video. We're gonna head inside and throw the artificial light on here.
Yeah.
Try to give you some more looks and that. But before we do that, to wrap up, we want to say, hope you like the video, and if you do, please like us,
subscribe,
ring the notification bell,
and tell your friends.
Tell your friends that we're cool.
That's right.
And check out our merch, like always. The link's down below. We said it earlier in the video.
Yeah, if you pick up some merch, it helps us out, and thank you so much. I mean, we appreciate that kind of support.
Definitely. All you supporters out there, we appreciate you. So, thanks for watching.
Yeah, so keep watching. Keep watching.
We're going to go in there.
Yeah, we're going to cut into some shots now of the before and after. Real nice close-ups.
Yep. So, and then keep watching our channel, because this hood will be fully corrected.
Yeah, fully corrected.
We won't leave it this way.
And other products will be tested and compared on this.
We've got some stuff already coming, so
yeah,
stay tuned. All right, into the garage, Ryan. People enjoy my weirdness.
That's right. That's exactly. That's a good way of putting it.
Yeah. All right, to the blue hood.
Everybody enjoys Brandon's weirdness.
No more about me.
Hey,
to the blue hood. To the blue hood.